in my experience of having worked with scientists and actually lived in about 16 different countries to do science, 16, 1 6. Learning two European language is a world passport. Choose any two European languages. And being a chemist, German language comes the first. When I used to work with my early students here in University of Hyderabad, I was helping them after learning the language. I told you that I used to come back and then go again for 3 months each. I was an asset for our own people because they wanted me to come, sir, here is a synthesis given in German language. Please translate that. And I was able to do that, and it has benefited a large number of students right here in the University of Hyderabad in chemistry. So my suggestion is to learn, make it a point to learn two European languages, any two. You can choose depending upon your requirements. This is something that we should actually imbibe in our present generation and also the generations to follow. Spanish, French, German. Choose any two. Opportunity, not just learning when you are there. It provides you an opportunity also when you are here, right? At your doorstep in Hyderabad, Chennai, through this chain of Gothe schools, which at one time used to be Max Muller Bhavans and so on. So you have, and of course there are many other private organizations teaching you foreign languages. For example, in IFLU here, we have a very good German department, the language department, so also in JNU and so on. And in University of Hyderabad also we are making efforts to have one such wing where you can learn a foreign language. So if your question is it a problem not to know German in Germany? The answer is yes and no. It is no when you are among the academics, because once you are a part of an international group, then it is mostly in English and everybody understands English. But once you are doing an interaction in the society, you will find that learning or knowing German actually makes you part of them. Secondly, let me give you another anecdote here. I was in Heidelberg on a research assignment in DKFZ. This is the most important cancer research laboratory in Europe. It is in the campus of University of Heidelberg. So I was in one of the malls, shopping malls in the evening. And I went to the counter. My wife also was with me. So we started giving the money that was required for us to be paid there. So we paid. Then I said that, oh my God, I do not have change, little bit change that was left. I didn't have. Then I asked my wife, can you just give me some, I'm short of so much. So this girl, who was a German girl at the counter, she says, rupiya de dijiye. Rupiya de dijiye. And then I asked her, how do you know this Hindi? She said, I learned Hindi in University of Heidelberg, in Sudeshian Institute. Okay? So, you see, there is interest in learning language of the other. Okay? And this is going to be increasingly so in the globalized world. Okay? So, we have to change our mindset, and Indians, I tell you, we are genetically wired to learn n number of languages.